Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drawer rail in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new freezer drawer rail. This drawer rail is mounted on the right side of the freezer drawer. It's attached to the drawer and clips onto the outer rail, allowing the drawer to glide in and out. If the freezer drawer won't stay in place, check and replace the freezer drawer rail if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Next, I'm going to open the freezer door. And now I'm going to pull out the drawer. As far as it goes. Now we need to open the latches on the side here. Right, as you can see, we have here a locking tab. And we have the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to press it down and push the rail back to free this. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. The only difference is that I will lift up on the lever. And I'm going to push the rail back. Now I'm going to lift up on the drawer assembly in, move it out. Okay, so I removed the box from inside the drawer, put it on the ground here, and now we need to remove this rail. To get to the part, we need to remove this first outer portion of the rail. We have a locking tab right there. Press it out from inside. And we can remove this. And now we need to remove this 4 Phillips screws. And lift off the rail. This is the old freezer drawer rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we've got here a new rail. I'm going to place it on. I'm going to match these pins and holes. Now I'm going to secure it with the 4 Phillips screws. And now I'm going to install the outer portion. If you look from this side, you'll see this kind of stopper, I can call it stopper groove. And this is our locking tab. So we are placing this inside this groove here. Bring it up and push it down. It's locked in. And now we can install it into the fridge. All right, now I'm going to bring that drawer in, place it down, and now we need to install these rails on both sides into the rails that attach to the side of the freezer. That goes right inside of those rails. Then we're going to push it in so those tabs will lock. And I'm going to place the box in. And I'm going to close the drawer, close the freezer, and now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.